Hey guys, this is how you edit your TikTok. So first go to File and click on Project Settings, and on the settings you see this 1920 by 1080. You just reversed and change it to 1080 and 1920. So after that, this is your timeline. Now it's vertical, and then you go to the start transform and you just zoom the video all the way up to here like this. Then that's it. So after this you just save your file, and it's ready for TikTok. So it's very simple. So the program that I use is called Davinci Resolve, and you can download this for free. I will put the link in the description, and you can just download and use it for free. And when you save your file, you save as MP4, and that's it. Hope you find this video useful, and thank you so much.